Alright, just so everybody could see the progress on this thing. We all know we got the back bumper off. You can see that. There's a parts car with everything that had to come off right there just to get that back bumper off. Alright. When we took delivery of the car, we found out, or we found, I should say, that sticker there, Prova Motorsports. We have actually contacted Prova Motorsports. That place is actually in Seattle, Washington, and we are trying to see if they can give us all the information of the maintenance record they've done on this car. Remember, we bought the car salvage. Whoever knows about these vehicles, you know these are not the stock disc on this car. We know that much of it as of right now because Prova did replace them. What are we having technical difficulties removing right now, my friend?
Oh, you know, we just can't get these windshield wipers out.
Why?
Because I didn't bring the guns.
You guys can see all this stuff is bent. This arm here is bent there. This arm is bent. Everything is completely crushed. Here is the latch that went on the vehicle. It went on there, something like that. You can see this bracket is all bent. We did find out these pieces here is all bolt on. You could probably maybe get a little glimpse of it right there. It's all bolt on pieces. So that is good news because we could just literally unbolt them and replace them, guys. So we do have suspension damage. We are going to be finding out what that is here shortly once we get this liner out of here and carry on from there. Also, everybody knows, they saw in the pictures, this hood will have to be replaced. We have sourced out a couple of them. They are not cheap, but definitely worth it. Alright guys, don't forget to like, share, and follow, and on our next video we're going to finally fire up that R8 after a long time of trying to figure out what was wrong with this thing.